Stop by and take a look at the 2014 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.